All right, so today is focusing on perpendicular lines in the plane. Lesson 11, their goal is to be able to prove that the slopes of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals and use slopes of perpendicular lines to solve problems. I know this seems kind of heavy, but we'll get into this. So first, I want you to just check in with me. Tell me anything that's new. It says share a bright moment that's happened to you while we've been away. Share a moment that's happy, funny, or something else. Sketch a picture using the space on the left if you'd like. So here's a sketch pad. You can change colors. You can draw in here. And just tell me a little bit about what the question is asking. So the warm-up is asking you to apply this transformation rule. Now, if you see the rule here, if you notice something, it says whatever your original coordinate points are, what they want you to do is, and look what happens here. The X and the Y, for one, they switch positions. And then secondly, whatever your Y is, it becomes negative. So your first step here, and maybe you can write this down so that when you're done watching the video, you know what the steps are. Step 1, locate or find the coordinate points of each of these points here. So I would say maybe write out the coordinate points. So for instance, I could do B here. B is at, and remember you always want to go in this order, X, Y. B is at 5, -2. 5, -2. So you'll do that for C, you'll do that for D, you'll do that for A. That's your step 1. Step 2 would be, and I'll do this one with you, but you have to do the rest, to apply this rule here. So remember it says whatever your original X, Y coordinate is, the rule is switch the positions and make whatever your Y is negative. So first I'm going to swap these. Now this is going to be here and 5 is going to be here. But then the second part is to make Y negative. Well, it's already negative. So that means it's now going to become positive. Because technically what I did, I'm going to do it over here on the side, is I did this. And this becomes positive. Okay. So then once you do that, oh, I guess this is your step 2. Sorry. This is your step 2. Step 3 will be to plot your new point. Okay, sorry, it's a little messy, but plot your new point. So my new point is this one here, 2, 5. So that's a positive 2 and 5. Here's my new point. And this is now called B prime and label. So go ahead and do that for the rest of these. And you could actually, so what's my new point? 2, 5. If I go on here, I could plot a new point. 2, 5. And you see, you can actually write on this graph here. So go ahead and finish that and keep going, and then we'll have the next video on another slide.